I'll go ahead for these customer features within this home menu. Now when I click this customers feature, there is this interface. This feature, it enables the managers to easily view customers within respective departments. Okay, the managers, they may come right here for the reservation customers, they may just come right here for restaurant and bar customers, or other department customers like this. When I search here, currently there are no sales for other services, with the exception of restaurant and bar services and reservation services. But I will go and make a sale for other services. But before that, I want to show you this option right here. Now this option, it enables the managers to view the combined flow of customers within sales departments. Okay, when I come right here and provide the date I want to search and click this search option, the combined flow of customers within this date will be shown using this chart right here, using this pie chart right here. And the summary for this chart is this. Also the chart itself, it says, let me go to reservation. As you can see, it says there is only one sale for reservation, which equals to 25%. And when I go to restaurant and bar sales, it says there are 3 sales, which equals to 75%. Currently, as you can see, 0 sales for other services. Now I will start the payment point package and make sales for other services. Okay, like this. Now let me see the payment officer's username and password. The payment officer's username is YungKQ and the password is 1177. Okay, is YungKQ and the password is 1177. Okay, and now I'll go right here. Now I may receive payments from all these categories. Okay, but let me receive payments for laundry services. I'm making laundry services for a customer who is reserved within our hotel, and the one who we have booked is this from room 304. Okay, so when I click this, the customer name will appear here and like this. So this is the customer who we want to do laundry service for her. Okay, I'll go next, and let's say she have a jeans coat and a t-shirt, and these are 2. Okay, and let's say she said, I don't want my t-shirts to be ironed, so I'll say no ironing, like that. And I'll go next, and let's say she is paying advance of $5 and she's paying using PayPal, let's say. So I may press enter, or I may click this. Okay, or I may change the receiving from field or the phone number, but let me click this, and I will use the default customer rating, which is this, like this, and the password is 1177. Bravo. It say payment received successful, print payment slip and a marked copy, but I don't want to print that for now, so I'll say no, and the customer copy no, And all these, they may be printed. The merchant copy will stay within the hotel. The customer copy will be given to the customer for reference, and this description copy will go to laundry department to enable them to view that description of no ironing for those two t-shirts. Okay, but I don't want to print this. I'll say no. Okay, and now let me close this. Okay, and now when I go back to our managerial package and search again or refresh this by clicking this, you will see the changes right here within this field of customers for other payments, and you will see the changes within this pie chart right here. So I'll click this as this. Wow, and as you can see, the changes have been made. Right now, you can see there is one cell and a total of 5 cells. And within our pie chart right here, it says for the laundry services, we got one cell which equals to 20% as this. And for the reservation package, or for the reservation cells, we have one cell which equals to 20%. And for the restaurant and bar cells, we got 3 cells which equals to 6%. Okay, so here the managers can view the combined flow of customers within sales departments, and here I may select the date that I want to see the combined flow of customers. Let's say it is 7th of this March. When I search, nothing will appear, and for our summary there is no any cell, because at that date, I mean 7th of March, there was no any sale from any department was made. Now I'll go back to the 10th of March like this, and boom, and this is our pie chart, and you can see the summary of this search using these fields, or you may hover your mouse to the portion of the department you want to see, and it will provide the details like this: 3 sales which equals to 6%, and this and this. And if there is another cell from another department, it will appear here. Now let me see this laundry service or laundry cell which we have made within this managerial package. Okay, I may view this laundry cell using this option like this, and it will appear right here, which is this. But you can't see more options for this until you go to this option right here, which is other payments. Okay, and payment receiving history. If I go right here, I'll be doing the same thing as that we have done within the payment point package, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to receive any payment for now. The only thing that I want is to view the sale that we have made. Okay, so I may view it using this option, extra payment receiving history, and I may select the categories that I want to view, or I may view using this option, all payment receiving categories, okay, which is the default one. Now when I search, but I will press enter, and this is the new sale that we have made using that payment point package. I know I have explained to you about how to use these options for creating invoice or to generate the reports, but if I want to view more information about this cell, I may click this, and as you can see, this is the description of our cell. It is for laundry, and it is for Jan Modric from room 304, as how it says right here using this title. And this is the customer name, this is her phone number, and this is the reservation sales number of this customer, and these are the items for the laundry services. I'll talk more about these options right here, all of these in the other video, but for now let me go back to the customer option within the home menu. Okay, I was right here, and here is where I was. Now I'll go to this bottom option right here, which is customer rating. When I click this customer rating, okay, it prompts me for the password because this is a much sensitive option. Now this option it enables the managers to add the ratings for our customers or expenses according to their wishes, according to their willing. And these ratings are being used within sales department to rate the customers. Also, these ratings, they may be used to rate expenses, as you can see here. Okay, and the other thing within this feature is this. The most sensitive. Now, this most sensitive option within the general rating, it provides extra privacy or security for data that are not to be easily accessed within junior packages. The other packages with the exception of managers package and accounts office package. The rest of the packages are junior packages. The senior packages are the managers package and the accounts package. Now when this sale or transaction have been made under the rating which is most sensitive, immediately after that transaction or sale have been made, they won't be accessed or viewed within junior packages unless that package, specific package, have the access to view most sensitive information or sensitive data. Now, this most sensitive feature may be used to hide, let's say, governmental official customers such as members of parliaments or military related customers or any group of customers that we prefer that their details they are not to be easily accessed within junior packages. Now let me explain this using the example by considering the new sale that we have made of James Modric, which is this. Okay, it is this. Now I want to see the current customer rating, which is 3-star local customer, and right here within this 3-star local customer, it is not most sensitive. Now I may update this to be the most sensitive, or I may add new customer rating and customize its usage. Okay, now let me add the new customer rating. Let's call this customer rating as Eclipse customers. Now within our operation, we will consider governmental customers and military related customers to be Eclipse customers. And let's say I want this Eclipse customers rating to be used within the reservation customers and other services customers. Okay, so I'll check this, and let's say this is the most sensitive rating. Okay, I'll update that, or I'll add that. And now I will update this James Modric cell from 3-star local customer to that Eclipse customer. I'll just come right here and I want to update from that 3-star local customer to Eclipse customers. Okay, selected. The password is 1436. Good. As you can see, the customer rating have changed from 3-star local customers to Eclipse customers. Now I'm going to start the reservation package to see if that James Modric cell will be visible within this reservation package. The username is reservation staff cute Pamela 1155. Okay, the username is cute Pamela and the password is 1155. Okay, I'll just come here within the reports option and I want to search for that James Modric cell. As you can see, currently that James Modric cell is not visible within this reservation 1 package. Now, why that James Modric cell is not visible within this package? This is because we have updated the rating of that cell from the normal rating to the most sensitive rating. But we can use this managerial package to give access to that reservation 1 package to have access to most sensitive information. Now, where can we give junior packages the access to access most sensitive rated informations? It's right here within the data access manager. Now, I'll go right here for this reservation 1 package and I'll say data access as to yes, and I'll want to update this like this, and when I update, okay, and come back to our reservation 1 package and press enter like this, or I may refresh, but I'll press enter. Now, as you can see, the James Modric cell have appeared within this reservation 1 package. Why? Because we have give access for this reservation 1 package to view most sensitive information, as the title within this interface say, manage which system branch access sensitive rated data. Okay, and I may view the history of updating access to most sensitive ratings using this option right here. I may come right here and search, but I will press enter, and as you can see, this is all history of updating access to most sensitive ratings. I'll go back and now I will prohibit this reservation 1 package from accessing the most sensitive rated informations. So I will uncheck this and I want to update, and here the password is 1436. Okay, and now when I go back to our reservation 1 package as this, and I may refresh or I may press enter, and as you can see, nahi nahi babuji, here the system is like trying to say, hey little buddy, you don't have access for this, so chill up. For these customer ratings, I'm done for this, and in general I'm done for this customers option. Okay, now I'll go to the next option within the home menu.